So, hello, how are you? So, we will do a assignment. This is assignment of my friend named Mobin. So, data structure assignment lab array implementation assignment on submission deadline review. These are the objectives. So this assignment we will operation array that we will use Microsoft Video Studio. You can also use dev other compiler etc. But I prefer to use Microsoft Video Studio because it is more user friendly. So let's try it. So what are the objectives? So exercise number one, there is a implementation of following function in the lab. Create list. We have to create a list. Function named create list. Create a new list array. Presumably empty. ठीक है. Presumably empty means we will consider that it's empty. Second function we will use copy. Set one list to be a copy of another. We will use a list to copy another. Third will clear. We will remove all elements, inserts. So remove, get, update, find, length. That's all function of we have to operate on this assignment. So I have opened. So I will create a new project. I'm sorry, that's not a new project. Empty project. I will create an empty project. That will be empty. Name I will name its name will be assignment. Assignment. Okay. So our product has been created. So I will add a new item. That will be our my CPP file. I will add it. So I will minimize short. So uh, every program of C++ is started with include inc include IO string. It is a header file that we use to transfer file one to output, input, etc. That's okay. Next thing, using name space std. Using for all input output things we will use spac and name namespace. That's the namespace std that we will use. So we will create a function. That function is void. Our first function is create list. That's okay. Void create list. Our second function is copy, and that will also be void, or and that will be copy. Copy. Our third void, and that will be clear as you see on the screen. Uh, Fourth will be insert, void, insert. That's function has parameters x at the particular position. Insert element x will be data and particle position in the list. The question mark is a particle position. So we will use integer data types. So that we will consider integer data, comma, and second will be index also is an integer type. So I will choose index, integer type. So uh, and next we will use an element at the some position. So here is a void, and remove function with a parameter, which will be integer type, integer position, or index, as you wish, which you will use for it. So get element and given position, we will output an element from an given position. Void get integer position. So these are our basic elements, functions we have to create it to use it. Next we will